In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hubspot to N8n. This connection is useful because it lets your automation workflows in N8n interact with Hubspot, such as working with contacts, companies, or other Hubspot data. To begin, open your N8n instance and look for the section where credentials are managed. In the N8n interface, go to Credentials. This is where you set up integrations in a secure and organized way, so they can be reused across multiple workflows without you having to reconfigure anything each time. Once you are on the Credentials page, you will want to add a new credential. Click Add Credential. Take a moment here to confirm you are in the correct area, because creating the credential correctly is what enables the rest of the setup to work smoothly. Next, you will see a credential type selection. In the search field, type HubSpot OAuth 2 API. Selecting the correct option matters, because HubSpot uses oauth 2 for authentication. oauth 2 ensures secure access by allowing the app to connect using approved permissions, rather than relying on a direct password. After you select HubSpot oauth 2 API, click Connect My Account. This step starts the authorization process. You may see an account chooser or sign-in prompt, depending on your browser session and how you are currently logged in. When the authorization page appears, you should select your HubSpot account. If you have multiple HubSpot accounts, be careful to choose the one that you intend to use for your automations. This selection determines which HubSpot workspace N8n will communicate with. Once you have selected the correct HubSpot account, click Choose Account, then proceed by clicking Connect. This completes the OAuth flow and grants N8n permission to access HubSpot on your behalf, based on the permissions associated with the connection. After you click Connect, the page should return you to the credential setup screen or show that the connection is complete. This is the moment where you verify that everything is properly linked. Look for confirmation that the account connection was successful, and make sure the credential details appear as expected. Finally, save your changes. Click Save to store the credential in N8n. Saving is important because without it, the connection will not be available for your workflows, and you would have to redo the setup. At this point, you have successfully connected HubSpot to N8n using the HubSpot OAuth 2 API credential. You can now use this credential inside your workflows whenever you need HubSpot-related actions. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.